What's the exhaust on this baby?
This one here is custom as well, but it's straight piped.
It's straight pipe?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have her here.
Straight, like all the way, no mufflers?
No mufflers.
No mufflers?
Just cats.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty loud. That's not bad. You got a drone on that? No drone? Oh, not bad. I like it.
Oh yeah.
She just need the extra power.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's all. I gotta know if 300 is my daily. Same thing. I don't have any mods really on it.
No.
It goes good enough.
Yeah.
What year is it?
2005.
2005?
Oh, same year as my thing.
Oh, that grill is awesome.
It's the same grill I had too. Remember?
Oh right.
Remember we said we never saw another one? There's another one. Wow.
Oh yeah. Hey, are these Challenger wheels?
They look
They
like
are
it.
Challenger wheels.
At least it's on a Sunday.
Oh,
Is it a Sunday? I thought
she
it was
warming up?
Saturday.
She leaving?
No, we just live over here off the Johnson.
Oh, cool.
She's just going home to get a different jacket.
Okay. Do a burnout!
She babies that thing.
Well, that's good. That makes it last longer, though.
She was had an engine light come on and it was EGR valve kept coming out.